Imagine being miles deep into the wilderness. The weather is starting to turn cold, the trail you were following has completely vanished, and your smartphone just died in your pocket. For most people, this is an absolute nightmare scenario. But if you have a Garmin Fenix on your wrist, it is just another Tuesday. Your watch still has 50% of its battery left, a flawless topographic map is glowing brightly on the screen, and you have a direct line to emergency services. That unmatched reliability in extreme conditions is exactly why the Garmin Fenix series is the undisputed king of the outdoors. But even the biggest fans have been patiently waiting for a true revolution, not just small, incremental updates. Well, the wait is almost over. Here is exactly why the upcoming Garmin Fenix 9 is going to change everything. Garmin is not like Apple or Samsung. They do not just drop a new flagship watch every single year simply to make a quick profit. Traditionally, they wait until they have something truly groundbreaking to offer. Fans remember the long, agonizing waits between previous generations. But recently, Garmin's CEO hinted to investors about massive, high-end outdoor product launches coming in the second half of 2026. This is a massive shift in their usual timeline. With competitors like Coros and Apple pushing hard into the outdoor space, Garmin is speeding up their innovation. All signs in the tech world point to one massive event. The Garmin Fenix 9 is on the horizon, and it is bringing the biggest technological upgrades we have seen in a decade. The most exciting rumor buzzing through the community right now is the screen technology. For years, buyers faced a very tough choice. You had to choose between a bright, beautiful AMOLED screen that quickly drained your battery or a dull MIP display that saved power but looked boring indoors. The Fenix 9 is heavily rumored to finally fix this by introducing a revolutionary micro-LED display. This is a total game changer for wearable tech. It gives you the stunning, vibrant colors and extreme brightness of AMOLED, but it uses significantly less power. It will fight off the glare of direct mountain sunlight while saving your battery for those intense multi-day hikes. Of course, to run that beautiful new screen, Garmin is expected to include a lightning-fast new internal processor. If you have used older Garmin models, you know the frustration. When you're lost and zooming in on a highly complex topographic map, the screen can lag and stutter. You're left standing there waiting for the map to draw itself. The Fenix 9 aims to completely eliminate that issue. With a brand new chip, zooming and panning across complex maps will finally be perfectly smooth and instant, feeling exactly like a premium modern smartphone. But Garmin is not just upgrading the visual experience. They're cutting the smartphone cord completely. The Fenix 9 strongly aims to make you completely independent from the phone in your pocket. We are expecting true, standalone LTE capabilities, but more importantly, vastly improved built-in satellite communication. Garmin already leads the world with their inReach technology. Putting that power directly into the Fenix 9 means you could send a text message to your family or fire off an SOS signal from the middle of a barren desert, totally without a phone connection. The Fenix 9 will no longer be just a fitness tracker. It will be an absolute, unbreakable lifeline strapped directly to your wrist. When it comes to the health and fitness tracking that Garmin is famous for, it is no longer just about counting your daily steps or checking your resting heart rate. Users demand deep medical data. The Fenix 9 is expected to feature upgraded medical-grade ECG tracking for deep heart health insights. Beyond that, there are very exciting whispers about early versions of non-invasive glucose monitoring. If Garmin can pull off even a basic version of blood sugar tracking, it will completely redefine what a sports watch can do. It will become the ultimate performance tool for endurance athletes who need to perfect their fueling strategy. Finally, let us talk about the practical, everyday features that actually make life easier. Are you tired of traveling and realizing you forgot that one highly specific, annoying proprietary Garmin charging cable? The Fenix 9 aims to permanently fix that headache by introducing TrueQi wireless charging. You will simply DRO, P on any standard charging pad, and you're good to go. On top of the charging upgrades, rumors suggest a much more refined, slimmer titanium design. The Fenix has always been built like a tank, but it can sometimes feel too bulky for daily wear or sleeping. The Fenix 9 will keep that legendary, rugged durability, but shave off the excess weight. It will give you a watch that is tough enough to survive the highest mountains, but sleek and comfortable enough to wear to the office. The Garmin Fenix 9 is clearly shaping up to be an absolute masterpiece of modern engineering. It bridges the gap between rugged survival gear and premium everyday technology. So I have to ask you, what specific feature are you most excited about? Are you holding out and waiting for the Phoenix 9, or are you just going to buy the Phoenix 8 right now? Let me know your honest thoughts and predictions in the comments below. If you found this video helpful and want to stay updated on all the latest tech leaks and smartwatch news, please hit that subscribe button, share the video with your friends, and click the bell icon so you never miss an upload. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.